Hello smart learners, today we are learning everything about the table of contents in LaTeX. So what you will learn in this tutorial will be basic table of contents, adding subsections, adding subsections, controlling TOC depth, mini table of contents. We will learn list of figures in our later series, and as same is the case with list of tables. Then we will learn adding unnumbered section to TOC, renaming content, hyperlink table of contents. So a table of content, also called TOC, automatically creates a list of chapters, sections and subsections along with their page number. And the best thing about LaTeX is that it updates the TOC automatically whenever your document changes. Let's first start with basic table of contents. Let's first make a new project named as table of content. Now clear the screen, get rid of the extra things and recompile it. Okay, now write / table of content and write section and write methodology in it. This is methodology. Now write / section. In the curly braces write conclusion, and as a text write this is conclusion. Okay, now we'll try to compile it. Okay, we are getting error here because I didn't use the word s here. Now recompile it. Okay, as you can see that these are the table of contents appeared and sections are in the table of content, but as they are in same page, we'll use the command new page. Okay, as you can see that this is the same table of content and this is our content of next page. Moving forward to adding subsections, / sections. In the curly braces write programming. / subsections. In the curly braces write C++. Write content here. And again add subsection, and in the curly braces write Python and write content here. Okay, here you have to add table of contents. Now recompile it. Okay, we have to write it within the begin document. Okay, recompile it. As you can see that subsection has appeared here, and it's on the same page again. Yes, so we'll write new page command. So it appears, table of content appear on the previous page and the content appears on the next page. Yes, as you can see that. Moving forward to next thing, which is adding subsections. Now add subsections and write variables in the curly braces. Now recompile it. Okay, as you can see that 1.1.1 shows variables. This is subsection. Next we'll learn controlling TOC depth. So here / set control curly braces to depth, and the curly braces is the command used to control the depth of the table of content. For example, -1 shows no table of content, 0 shows chapters only, you have to show chapters, 1 shows you have to show sections as well, 2 means you have to show subsections, and 3 means you have to show subsections as well. Now let's implement this. Write / set counter curly braces TOC depth curly braces 2. Recompile it. As you can see, it's showing the sections and the subsections. Now if we add 0, you can see that it's showing nothing because we didn't add any of the chapter. Now we'll write -1, and -1 don't show anything, which means no table of content. we'll write 1, which will basically show sections only. Now 2 will show subsections, and 3 will show subsections. Okay, now coming toward mini table of content. For this thing, you have to add the package named with / use package. In the curly braces, write MiniTOC. It enables mini table of content. Now write / do MiniTOC. It basically activates mini table of content globally. Now write / table of content, which is the main table of content, and now add chapter of introduction. Now write / MiniTOC. MiniTOC is for the chapter. Now / section, what is LaTeX? LaTeX is a document. / why use LaTeX? It is used for efficiency. Okay, / structure of doc. Now we'll add another chapter which says installation guide. Okay, now making it a little bit fun. / MiniTOC. / download LaTeX, making it fun. Download it from Mars. And / section, setting up editor. Create your own editor. Okay, now we'll try to recompile it. Okay, as you can see, the table of contents are here and many of table of contents are here. Now we'll quickly add new page so that everything looks clear and precise. So the mini table of content appears on the previous page, main content appears on the next page. Okay, moving forward to the next thing, which is adding unnumbered sections to table of content. For example, if you want to add / section static acknowledgement, and numbered will not be appearing in table of content basically. Add / add contents line. In the curly braces, write TOC. Next curly braces, write section, and in next curly braces, write acknowledgement. Okay, this command is basically telling the section of acknowledgement in the table of content, do not number it. This command will not number the section in the table of content, so it will remain unnumbered. Moving forward to next thing, which is renaming contents. Okay, write the command / renew command, open curly braces, / contents name. Don't forget to write the S with content as well. Now in the curly braces, write table of contents. Now recompile it. Okay, as you can see, that content has been changed to table of contents, and you can write the random thing as well. You can write the random name as well, such as for pun intended, I'm writing Hakuna Matata. Recompile it. Okay, as you can see, Hakuna Matata is appearing here. You can write anything in it. Moving forward to our last topic, which is hyperlinked table of contents. Okay, we are here adding the package / use package hyperref. Now recompile it. And by adding this package only, we can make our table of content clickable, and it will lead us directly to the section which is written in the main page. Look at, yes. This is how it works. Okay, what if we don't use it? Now recompile it. Okay, as you can see that now these links are not clickable. You are clicking here, but it's not leading you nowhere. Okay, it's enough for today. Thank you so much for watching the video.